Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, students. Very good. Okay, I am also fine here. Okay, shall we start the lesson? In the third lesson, we have learned how to prepare journal entries and we have completed to exercise also. Okay, so we will see the other illustrations given and the exercises we will complete. Okay, now we will see the illustration 8th one. Okay. Illustration 8, I will read for you. See, Bragadish is a trader dealing in electronic goods who commenced his business in 2015. For the following transactions took place in the month of March 2018, past journal entries. March 1, purchased goods from Y and Co on credit. Then sold goods to D and Co on credit. Then paid Y and Co through bank in full settlement. Here Y and Co 60,000 only, we have paid 58,000. So the remaining 2,000 is the gain for us, that is discount received. Okay. Then D and Co accepted a bill drawn by Jagadish. Here D and Co, they have sold goods to D and Co. So this one is bills receivable. Okay. Then sold goods to L on credit, M on credit. Then received a check from M in full settlement and deposited the same into the bank. So M, they are sold for 40,000 but only 39,000 they have received. So the remaining 1,000 is discount allowed, that is a loss, that should be debited. Then goods returned to Y and Co. Here 4,000. Okay, this one Y and Co we have purchased and we have paid also, but we are now paying this one back. Okay. So this is purchase returns. Okay, the receiver is Y and Co. Then L became insolvent. Here we sold goods to L, 20,000. He became insolvent. He is not able to pay the debts. That is the meaning. Okay. Only 90 paise per rupee is received by cash in full settlement. For 1 rupee, 90 paise. So 90 paise into 20,000. Okay, 18,000 only we are receiving. So the remaining 2,000 is called bad debts. That is the loss that we should debit. Okay. In full final settlement means we should close his account. Then goods are returned by M. So here we have sold goods to M on credit. He is returning. This is sales returns. Sales we credit. Sales returns should be debited. Okay. We will see the journal entry. First one, purchased goods from Y and Co on credit. Purchases account debtor to Y and Co account. Goods purchased on credit. Then next one, sold goods to D and Co on credit. Okay, selling. You see purchases debit, sales credit. Okay, so that person to whom we are selling and from whom we are purchasing, we have to write the other account. Okay, so here D and Co account debtor to sales account. Right. Third one, paid Y and Co through bank in full settlement. See, Y and Co we have to debit. Y and Co is already credited for 60,000. Now we debit 60,000. That is that full settlement. Okay. Then we receive how much? 58,000 check and we are deposited. That's it. We debit the bank. The receiver of the check is bank. Then the remaining amount 2,000 is discount received. So payment made to Y and Co and discount received. Then fourth one, D and Co accepted a bill drawn by Jagadish. So he has accepted. That becomes bills receivable. That must be debited. And already D and Co is debited. We should credit now. Okay, so it is cancelled now. Then fifth one, we have sold goods on credit to L. L account debtor to sales account. Then sold goods to M on credit. So M account debtor to sales account. Okay. Then check received and discount allowed. Okay, we received a check from M. And settlement. Okay, we have settled, full settlement. So the remaining amount discount allowed. Then goods are returned to Y and Co. O&Co account receiving the goods, so we should debit O&Co purchase returns account credit. Then cash account debtor, bad debts account debtor to L. For 20,000 only 90 paise. So 20,000 into 90 paise. So 18,000. That 2,000 is the bad debts. Then sales returns account debtor to M account. Okay. Then 9 also we will see. Okay, 8 and 9. There we have to do 9. Okay. Worldware is a sole trader dealing in textiles from the following transactions. Prepare journal entries for the month of March 2018. Commence business with the cash with the goods. So one day, so we can write it as a compound entry. Cash account debtor, stock account debtor to Worldware's capital account. Then purchased 20 ready-made shirt from X&Co on credit, 10,000. Okay, for 20 ready-made shirt, 10,000. Okay. Then 500 each. Okay. Then cash deposited into bank through cash deposit machine. So bank is receiving and we deposit cash. So cash is going out. Purchased 10 ready-made sarees from O&Co by cash. So O&Co we should not write. Okay. Purchases account debtor to cash. Then paid X&Co through NEFT. So receiver is X&Co. Who is paying? The bank. NEFT through bank. Sold 5 sarees to A&Co on credit. Okay. So A&Co, the receiver, sales credit. Okay. A&Co deposited the amount due in cash deposit machine. So we have sold goods to A&Co. A&Co deposited the amount due for what we need to receive in the cash deposit machine of ours. Okay, in our account he has deposited. So the bank is receiving. Who is the giver? A&Co. Then purchased 20 sarees from Z&Co and paid through debit card. So here purchases debtor and paid. Okay, if we do not pay, only we should write this person name, but we have paid through debit card. So bank is the giver. Bank should be credited. Then stationery purchased for and paid through net banking. So the expense name stationery. Then what we didn't pay on cash, we paid through net banking. So the bank is the payer. Okay. So bank account should be credited. Then bank charges levied. Here bank charges is an expense. So we should debit bank charges. And who is paying that one? Bank charges. The bank is the giver. Okay, from the bank that charges will get reduced. Okay, our bank balance will get reduced. So we should credit the bank. Okay. See, cash account debtor, stock account debtor, Worldware's capital account. Then credit purchases. Purchases account debtor to X&Co account. Then we have deposited cash into the bank. Bank account debtor to cash account. Then goods purchased by cash. No, purchases account debtor to cash account. Then deposited cash into bank. So now we didn't deposit, that X&Co deposited. Okay. Now we have fifth one, paid X&Co through NEFT. Because we purchased from X&Co, now we are depositing that amount in the through NEFT. So the bank is the giver, receiver is X&Co. Then sold sarees on credit. Okay, A&Co account debtor to sales account. Then seventh one, deposited the amount due in cash deposit machine. So our bank is receiving, the giver is A&Co. Then we purchased but paid through debit card. Bank is the giver. Then expense stationery, bank is paying, bank charges expense debit, bank is the giver. Okay. Now we will see the 9th exercise. See the 9th exercise. This is Sasikumar. Yesterday we have completed. Okay, then a 9th one. Journalize the following transactions in the books of Ramesh, who is dealing in computers. Okay. Ramesh started business with cash 3 lakhs, goods 80,000 and furniture 27,000. Money deposited into bank 2 lakh. Bought furniture from Messrs. Jayalakshmi Furniture 28,000 on credit. Purchased goods from Asogan 5,000 by paying through debit card. Let us do that one. Okay, one by one I will explain. So directly we will prepare the journal entries. Okay, question number 9. Okay, journal entries we have written. 2 amount column, 1 LF, then 1 date, then particulars. LF, debit, credit, then rupees, simple. Okay, first one, Ramesh started business with cash, goods, furniture. So first we write the date 2018 year, then month March 1. Okay, first cash account debtor, goods we will write as stock account debtor, then one more furniture. Debtor to Ramesh capital account. Okay, Ramesh started business. That's all. Okay, 3 lakh, 80,000, 27,000. Total 7,000. Here 8 plus 2, 10, balance 1, 4 lakhs 7,000. Second one we should draw one line. Okay, next one 2. Money deposited into bank. So the bank is receiver, bank account debtor. Okay, we should debit. Then what is going out? To cash account. Okay, so money deposited $2 lakh. Okay, draw one line. Then next date 3. Bought furniture from Messrs. Jayalakshmi Furniture for a 28,000 on credit. So what we are purchasing? Furniture. So furniture is coming inside. What debit what comes in? So furniture account debtor. 2. Who is the giver? Messrs. Jayalakshmi Furniture. Jayalakshmi Furniture account. Okay, bought furniture on credit. Okay, 28,000. Draw one line. Then 4. Purchased goods from Asokan for 5,000 by paying through debit card. So we have purchased goods. Immediately you write purchases account debtor. If we purchase for cash, we can write cash. If we purchase on credit, we should write the person's name. From whom we are writing, we are purchasing Asokan. So Asokan account. Asokan's account or Asokan account we can write. Okay. Purchased goods. On credit. 5,000. Draw one line. Then 5. Purchased goods from Guna and paid through net banking for cash. Then purchased goods only. So purchases account debtor. If we have not paid anything, we can write Guna. Here we have paid through net banking. Then cash also. For cash we have paid through net banking. Okay. So actually payment is done through banking, net banking. So payer is bank. So to bank account. Okay. Purchased goods. And paid through net banking. $10,000. Draw one line. Okay, last. The next page. Then 6. Purchased goods from Kannan and paid through credit card. Okay. So purchases account debtor. Credit card also through bank only. The payer is bank. Bank account. Purchased goods and paid through credit card. Okay, 20,000. Draw a line. Then 7. Purchased goods from Shyam on credit. Here payment is not made, so we can write purchases account debtor to Shyam account. See, many purchases they have made, but payment is in different varieties. Okay, bank only, there are many ways, isn't it? Through debit card, through credit card, net banking, then cash deposit machine. Okay, that you may not confuse. Okay, so we can write purchased goods on credit. Then 8. Bill drawn by Shyam was accepted for rupees 50,000. So we have to see here. Shyam, we have purchased goods, isn't it? So he has drawn a bill. This bill we need to pay, bills payable. So we have to debit this Shyam's account. Okay. Shyam account debtor to bills payable. This bill we need to pay. Bills payable account. Shyam's bill accepted. Okay, 50,000, full 50,000. Then paid half the amount owed to Messrs. Jayalakshmi Furniture by check. So Messrs. Jayalakshmi, how much we need to pay? 28,000. So half, okay, 14,000 we have given a check. Okay, paid half the amount by check. So the receiver is whom? Jayalakshmi Furniture. Mrs. Next one. Receiver is Mrs. Jayalakshmi Furniture. Account debtor to bank. We have given a check, but the bank is only going to pay the amount. Okay, the giver is bank. Half of the amount paid. Through check also we can write. Okay, so 14,000. Then Shyam's bill was paid. So we have paid for Shyam. Okay. So this bill we have to give to them. Okay. So bills payable account debtor. We have accepted that one we are going to pay. So bills payable account debtor to cash. We have paid through cash. Okay, Shyam's bill how much? 50,000. Shyam's bill paid or paid Shyam's bill. Okay, students, understood? Okay, only one problem we are able to complete. Okay, so I will do the other problems in the next class. Okay, you should understand, that's why I cannot go very fast. Okay, next 2 lessons will go very fast. Okay, any doubt, if you don't understand, you don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, students, thank you very much.